I tried turning ChatGPT into my financial advisor by asking it to build me a portfolio of 38 stocks that will provide me high returns on my initial investment of $100,000. Hey, create a portfolio of 38 stocks that are high-quality businesses with low levels of debt, possessing sustained long-term growth, and must be assets that generate an advantage over their competitors. But note, this is not real cash, as I'll be using the Investopedia Stock Simulator, which provides $100,000 of virtual cash so that anyone can be able to test their stock trading strategies before using a live account. If you've been following my past videos, you may have guessed right that I'm trying to replicate this ongoing investment challenge that I analyze here. You can click the link above to watch that video. So before we get into the portfolio's performance, let's have a rundown of the stocks it picked. So basically it picked 38 stocks using ChatGPT 3.5. I actually realized that the stock picks were very different from the one from the initial challenge. This time around, it actually gave me Visa and MasterCard twice. So I removed the extra pair and was left with just 36 stocks. I tasked myself with designating a minimum of $2,000 on average per stock to ensure I have some generous amount of balance in case I run into some heavy drawdown. I began placing stock orders by picking Visa first and made adjustments to ensure that all stocks were within the $2,000 range. So of course, depending on the stock price, I purchased between 4 to 180 shares per stock. So I spent a total of almost $70,000 buying stock, and I'm left with a balance of $25,000. After 24 hours, the portfolio earned $561. Amazing. We can see there's an upsurge in some of the stocks. After 48 hours, it made $1,765. Impressive. And after 4 days, it made $2,042. We'll look at the stocks again. You can see the total gain and loss. As you can see, Apple alone is $119. Alphabet has made $116. Intuit has made $96. While MasterCard has made $59. 3M has made $118 in just 4 days. My portfolio is actually steaming at the moment. As you can see, the portfolio is green. By day 6, that made $2,178. By day 10, it had gone down to $1,826. By day 11, it had further depreciated to $1,366 and $1,367 by day 12. But looking at these stocks, we can see that a lot of them are on a downtrend. As we can see, stocks like Netflix and Meta are actually still doing well, while Johnson & Johnson's, Coca-Cola and Co. are actually tanking. By day 20, the portfolio is still holding $896 of profit. As you can see, today alone, the changes are massive. Massive changes for a lot of the companies on this portfolio. Massive changes are actually happening. As you can see, most of the companies' day change has turned red. By day 22, the portfolio's profit is at $994. And by day 28, our capital has been eroded to $98,000, while our annual return is minus 11.3%. As you can see, there's blood on the dance floor. The entire portfolio is almost bleeding right now with a lot of red, except for Amgen, which is still profitable at $90. Alphabet at just $26, still profitable. Pockets of profits here and there with Honeywell, International, IBM, and Intel Corp. But a lot of the stocks on this portfolio are actually losing right now. By day 47, the portfolio is at $98,172, and by day 65, the portfolio is at $98,238. Overall, currently, after the 65th day of holding this portfolio, we're actually trailing. As you can see, most of the stocks on the portfolio are actually down. At the end of this experiment, you can clearly see that our capital is actually trailing. We are not making any form of profit yet. Now, that is because the market in general took a nosedive. Well, we can actually say that at this point, most of the stocks were overpriced, and I actually bought them on a high. So right now, you'll notice that the market is ranging, or stocks are actually trying to make a comeback, or they are going through some form of correction. This goes to say that conducting thorough research, in-depth analysis, especially with fundamentals and also technical analysis, is key to ensuring that you do not suffer losses. And of course, as I will always say, ChatGPT was not created as an investment advisor or fund manager. So do not use ChatGPT for any of those purposes. This is just an experiment. So in our next video, I'll be introducing you to some specialty financial investment tools that you can use to power your investing and pick stocks like a pro. Hope you enjoy catching up with my stock portfolio. Once again, I want to say, don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel for more insights on artificial intelligence investing and investing in general. Thanks for watching, and catch you soon.